lessons today, stories about combining and separating. So combining stories have a plot where somebody has some of something and gets some more added to make the final total. Okay, so if we were to write that in an equation, it would look like some plus some more equals the total. Here's an example. The troop hiked 8 miles in the morning and 7 miles in the afternoon. Altogether, how much did they hike? So we're going to solve this by following these 3 steps. We're going to write an equation, find the missing number, and check our answer. So looking at the question again, we have the troop hiked 8 miles. Okay, so we have our 8 is our sum. Actually, let's start with our equation. Sum plus some more equals the total. So they hiked some, which was 8, and then they hiked some more, which was the 7, and that's going to give us our total. So 8 plus 7 is, and there we go. The final step we got to do is check our answer. And so we can check our answer by going backwards. So we went 8 plus 7 is 15. Now we can say 15 minus 7 is 8. It works out. All right, the second type of story can be a separating story. In a separating story, they have a plot where there is some, and then some went away, leaving the total. All right, and for our equation, we're going to represent sum with an S, the sum that went away with an A, and what is left with an L. We're going to solve it using the same steps: equation, find missing number, check answer. So here's our example. Jack had $28. After he spent $12, how much did he have left? So first I'm going to write my equation, and my equation is sum minus what went away is what I have left. So our 28, is that our sum, what went away, or what we have left? That's our initial sum. Okay, what about the $12? After he spent $12, so the $12 is what went away. We want to know what he had left. And then I did 28 minus 12 was 16, and so 16 was what he had left. My last step is to check my answer. So I'm going to check my answer by going backwards. So 28 minus 12 is 16. So 16 plus 12 is 28, and I have the right answer. Let's look at one more example. After losing 234 pounds, Jumbo still weighed 4,368 pounds. How much did Jumbo weigh before he lost the weight? All right, so I have the sum and what goes away and then what's left. My 234 pounds, so it says after losing 234. So that's what went away, minus 234. And it says that Jumbo still weighed that after. So that's what was left. How much did Jumbo weigh before he lost the weight? So the unknown is the sum. That's what we want to find out. So S minus 234 equals 4,368. I can solve this by going the other way. 4,368 plus 264 will equal the sum. So let's solve that. And my final answer is that S equals 4,602. So that's how much Jumbo weighed before he lost the weight. I can check it by plugging it back into the equation. 4,602 minus 234 equals 4,368. Now you know about stories with combining and stories with separating. Get to work.